How to create a GoPro Quik account. First of all, open the app on your device. On the home screen, you will see Create Account, Sign In and Continue as Guest options. Tap on the Create Account button. Next, choose your preferred sign-up method. You can sign up with email or continue with Apple, Google or Facebook. For an easy and quick process, simply select Apple, Google or Facebook. If you choose to sign up with email, enter your email address and password. After filling in the details, tap the Create Account button. A verification email will be sent to your inbox. Open the email from GoPro and tap the verification link. Once verified, return to the GoPro Quik app and you can start syncing your footage, editing videos, and exploring all available features. Now you know how to create a GoPro Quik account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.